Finding out that someone may have access to your private medical records is more than a security issue. It feels like a deep personal violation. Health information is sensitive, emotional, and often connected to moments in your life that you never expected to share with strangers. That is exactly why cybercriminals target it. In fact, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services reported that healthcare data breaches affected more than 116 million individuals in 2023 alone. In this video, you will learn how medical records blackmail works, why this type of extortion is so damaging, and what steps you should take right now. You will also get a clear answer to the question, can blackmailers use stolen medical records against me? Medical records blackmail, protecting your health information. Medical records blackmail typically begins with a hacker breaching a hospital, clinic, or insurance system, or purchasing stolen data from criminal marketplaces. Once they obtain your medical information, they reach out directly through email, text, or messaging apps. They may reference specific diagnoses, medications, or clinic visits to prove they have your records. From there, they pressure you by threatening to expose your health information to employers, family members, or the public unless you pay. Psychologically, this scam works because medical details are deeply private. Criminals know that embarrassment, fear, and stigma can make victims comply quickly. Technically, they take advantage of weak healthcare security systems, outdated software, or compromised staff accounts. Many attackers do not need full medical histories. Even a single sensitive detail is enough for them to use as leverage. Common tactics of medical records blackmail. Healthcare system breaches. Hackers break into hospital networks to steal thousands of patient files at once. Phishing attacks on medical staff. Criminals use fake emails to infiltrate electronic health record systems. Dark web data purchases. Stolen medical records are bought in bulk from previous breaches. Targeted extortion emails. They send threatening messages referencing personal health details. Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act claims. Scammers pretend you are legally responsible unless you pay them immediately. Why medical records blackmail is dangerous. Medical information is more personal than financial data, and that makes it especially powerful in the hands of criminals. Victims often feel exposed, ashamed, or terrified that private details will be shared publicly. Practically, healthcare data is valuable because it contains full identity profiles, names, addresses, social security numbers, insurance details, and treatment history. This allows criminals to commit long-term fraud, identity theft, and ongoing extortion. Globally, healthcare remains one of the most targeted industries for cyber attacks, with ransomware and data theft incidents rising every year. Research published in the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act journal notes that healthcare data is up to 50 times more valuable on the black market than financial information. That value makes medical records blackmail a persistent and growing threat. What to do if you're being targeted? If you're dealing with this right now, it is completely understandable to feel scared or overwhelmed. Here is a clear, practical action plan to help you regain control. Do not respond to the blackmailer. Silence removes the power they gain from emotional reactions. Secure your email and online accounts. Change passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and check for unfamiliar logins. Request details from your healthcare provider. Ask whether your records were part of a known breach and what steps they are taking. Monitor your identity and insurance activity. Look for suspicious claims, bills, or medical services you did not authorize. Document all threats. Save messages, phone numbers, or emails for reporting purposes. Report the incident. File a complaint with your healthcare provider's privacy office and report the extortion attempt to ic3.gov. Get professional help. Private cybersecurity firms that specialize in extortion can guide you through protecting your data, responding safely, and regaining privacy. Conclusion. Medical records blackmail is frightening, but you are not powerless. By acting quickly, securing your accounts, and seeking expert support, you can limit the damage and take back control of your privacy. Your health information does not define you, and it does not give criminals the right to intimidate or manipulate you. Recovery is possible, and you do not have to navigate this alone. Call 888-634-1535 or visit blackmail.HelpLine.com to get the expert help you need today.
Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at blackmailhelpline.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.